Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. These are our past questions in Jamb. Please click on the subscribe button here so that you'll be the first to get all our learning videos and things like this once it drops. We are starting with English language, and for the 3 questions that we are going to be giving for English language, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. The team's poor performance at the tournament plumbs the depths of horror. Plumb the depth of horror. A. The team's performance was rewarded. B. The team's performance was enjoyed by all. C. The team's performance was full of disappointment. D. The team's performance took them to the next round. So choose the one that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. The same as number 2. And number 2 question says, Zinina's examination result was not unfavorable. A. She failed her examination. B. Her result could not earn her admission. C. She was successful in the examination. D. Her examination did not meet her expectation. 3. You need to brush up on your Spanish. A. You need a brush from Spain. B. You need to improve your skills. C. You need to study the history of Spain. D. You need to learn to play in a Spaniard. Mathematics. If P is equal to, in a metric form, 5, 3, 2, 1, and Q is equal to, in a metric form, 4, 2, 3, 5, that's a 2 by 2 matrix, find 2P plus Q. A. 8, 14, 7, 7. B. 14, 8, 7, 7. C. 7, 7, 8, 14. And D. 7, 7. I need to show this option very well. Find the value of, in a 3 by 3 matrix, 0, 3, 2, 178, 054. A. 10. B. 12. C. -2. D. -1. If P is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 6, 4, 5, 7, then determinant of P is A. 18, B. 22, C. 32, D. 16. Biology. The waste product of plants used in the conversion of hide to leather is A. Resin, B. Gum, C. Tannin, D. Alkaloid. The correct sequence of the movement of urea during urine formation is A. Convoluted tubule, glomerulus, Henle slope, Bowman's capsule, collecting tubule. B. Glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, convoluted tubule, Henle slopes, collecting tubule. C. Glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, convoluted tubule, Henle slope, collecting tubule. D. Convoluted tubule, Bowman's capsule, Henle slope, glomerulus, and collecting tubule. In the kidney of animals, the site of ultrafiltration is the A. Loop of Henle, B. Uriniferous tubule, C. Renal tubule, D. Bowman's capsule. Chemistry. Calculate the solubility of 10.1 gram of potassium triosonitrate 5 dissolved in 50 gram of distilled water at 25 degrees Celsius. A. 2.0 mole per dm cubed. B. 5.0 mole per dm cubed. C. 0.1 mole per dm cubed. D. 10.0 mole per dm cubed. In the graph above, at what temperature is the solubility of KHCO3 and NaCl the same? At what temperature is the solubility of the two the same? Is it at 42 degrees Celsius, or at 18 degrees Celsius, or at 35 degrees Celsius? So at what temperature? The last option is 37 degrees Celsius. D. Calculate the maximum mass of crystals that will be obtained from a 20 cm cubed solution of sodium carbonate with water of crystallization 10 if its solubility at 25 degrees Celsius is 45 gram in 1 dm cubed of water. A. 0.5 gram. B. 0.025 gram. C. 0.900 gram. D. 0.045 gram. Physics. The diagram above shows a stationary wave of wavelength 40 cm in a closed tube. The length L of the resonating air column is A. 30 cm, B. 40 cm, C. 10 cm, D. 20 cm. A length of wire has a frequency of 255 Hz when stressed by a force of 225 newtons. If the force increases to 324 newtons, what is the new frequency of vibration? A. 260 Hz, B. 512 Hz, C. 356 Hz, D. 488 Hz. If a sonometer has a fundamental frequency of 450 Hz, what is the frequency of the fifth overtone? A. 75 Hz, 2700 Hz, C. 444 Hz, D. 456 Hz. Economics. A country seeking loan for the correction of balance of payment problems will approach A. IBRD, B. EEC, C. IMF, D. OPEC. Balance of trade shows the relationship between the A. Total value of visible import and export, B. Internal-external trade, C. Deficit and surplus balance of payments, D. Total value of invisible import and export. If the importation of a commodity is limited to a definite quantity, the trade control measure imposed is A. Import duties, B. Quotas, C. Tariff, D. Excise duties. Government. Under the 1960 Independent Constitution, the Nigerian judiciary did not A. There were no qualified judges to head the judiciary. The judges were mainly British. The Privy Council in London was the last court of appeal. There was no Supreme Court in Nigeria. The ombudsman was first introduced in A. Great Britain, B. Norway, C. Sweden, D. Denmark. An important ingredient of the civil service is A. Hierarchy, B. Partisanship, C. Imbalance, D. Nepotism. Accounting. A non-profit making organization differs from a profit-making one in that it does not earn income. Proceeds from sales of shares form part of its income. Annual subscription and levies form part of its income. All income is committed. The limitation of the receipts and payments account arise mainly because of the reliance on A. the capital account of the organization, B. the transaction papers as evidence of transaction, C. the accounting officer to report, D. cash movement as evidence of transaction. The trading account is to a sole trader what income and expenditure account is to A. partnership, B. manufacturing organization, C. non-profit making organization, D. public limited organization. Commerce. An agent who transacts business with the broker in the stock exchange is A. Jobber, B. bull, C. Del Creder, D. stag. The payment made by a speculator to the buyer when he is unable to deliver stocks on the agreed date is A. franco, B. arbitrage, C. contango, D. backwardation. Which of the following regulates and controls the activities in the Nigerian Stock Exchange? A. BPE, B. SEC, C. NDIC, D. CBN. CRK. According to Romans, for a believer to be justified by faith, the law and the prophets have to A. bear witness, B. be united, C. be separated, D. be in peace. The decision of the Council of Jerusalem led to the issue of A. circumcision before one can be saved, B. abstaining from the pollutions of idols, C. circumcision of all Gentiles for Christ, D. abstaining from unchastity. According to James, judgment is without mercy to one who have shown no mercy. Yet mercy triumphs over A. judgment, B. the law, C. punishment, D. tribulation. Agriculture. Which of the following diseases commonly occur during brooding? I. yolk sac infection, II. coccidiosis, III. fowl pox, IV. pullorum. A. I, and IV only, B. I, and IV, C. I, and III only, D. I, and IV only. Piglet anemia can be controlled by using A. anthelmintics, B. sulfur drugs, C. iron drugs, D. antibiotics. In birds, loss of appetite, respiratory difficulties, and nervous paralysis are symptoms of A. Newcastle disease, B. fowl pox, C. fowl typhoid, D. coccidiosis. Literature in English. Harvest of Corruption. One of the themes in the play is A. Love. B. Bravery. C. Contentment. D. Superstition. Harvest of corruption. On both cheeks are 3 parallel marks which look like whiskers of a cat. The excerpt A describes A. Inspector Inaku. B. Ogenyi. C. ACP Yakubo. D. Madam Hoha. Harvest of corruption. The climax of the play is when A. Chief is arrested. B. Aloho is apprehended at the airport. C. Aloho dies. D. Ogenyi testifies in court. Geography. Volcanoes are considered natural resources because they provide A. Carbon dioxide. B. Tourism. C. Mountainous landscape. D. Fertile soils. The greatest volcanic regions of Africa are found in A. Kenya and Tanzania. B. The Cameroons. C. Sudan and Ethiopia. D. The Maghreb. A country which experiences earthquake frequently is A. Tanzania. B. Cameroon. C. Japan. D. Brazil. And that's where we'll come to the end of these past questions quiz. Please like this video and share it. Click the subscribe button below so that you can be following us and be getting all our lecture videos on different aspects of life. Click the other videos on the sides for you to see what is there. Check through our playlist for our past questions. Check through the solutions and get prepared for your Jamb. The reprints will be coming up by tomorrow. Make sure that you're prepared so that you start getting it. We'll be releasing a video on how to handle the Jamb CBT test. So please like this video, share it, and may God bless you. Thank you.